Lucky Star Pentas are our selection, one of the selections this year for the Louisiana Super Plant program. A great, wonderful pollinator plant. Blooms in the spring, throughout the summer and fall. This is a herbaceous perennial that'll come back year after year, and once we have a cold snap, if we have a severe cold snap, these will die back to their roots but come back year after year. Now the butterflies just love these, and they add an additional pop of color to your landscape. These come in colors from this gorgeous little kind of a hot pink. They call this one lipstick. They also have a red color, a pink, a white, and the one that performed best in trials at the Hammond Research Station was the lavender. So you'll have a great selection for your sunny areas in the landscape. Will also do well in partial sun. And these don't take a whole lot of effort. They're very easy care, of course, like all of our Louisiana Super Plant selections. They'll grow about 16 to 18 inches in height. You want to space these about 10 to 12 inches apart. And summing up, this is just an easy care, beautiful flowering perennial for the garden. Not a lot of disease, not a lot of pest, doesn't require a lot of deadheading. Of course, we do, if you see faded blooms, go ahead and pinch those off. It'll encourage more blooms, and just this beautiful color that'll attract both the eye of the beholder and butterflies and all those pollinators out there. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.